Good afternoon, dear teacher and classmates. My name is Jenny Figueredo Cuevas. I am 27 years old. I work as a commercial secretary. I am married to Diego and we do not have children. I live in Yopal Casanare. I study business administration. Today we are going to compare two styles of rooms. Room A, Room B. The room A is very spacious, room B is a little smaller. The room A has carpet, the room B has two rugs. In the room A there is bedroom, in the room there is no bedroom. The room A has no mirror, room B if it has a large mirror. The room has two lamps. The room B has many balls. The room A has very sober decoration. The room B has more ornate decoration. That is all. Thank you. Goodbye.